Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is what is the use of calendar object in QlikView. So basically I have loaded a data which is a sales data, sales 2017 data. I have taken a sheet from that, sheet number 1. So the data is going to be loaded. I have clicked on reload button. So you can see over here the script is being executed. Now I'll right click over here, go to this. So I have right click on this QlikView document, go to the new sheet object, and I will go to this particular calendar. So basically I am having a data. I'll show you the database first. So this file I have loaded. So I have taken this particular file, I have loaded. So this data is having this particular order date. So it will directly be shown on the calendar. Whenever I select this order date, it is directly being shown on the calendar. So this is the use of calendar object. So when I'll click on this particular, I have not selected anything. I'll right click over here, go to the new sheet object, and go to this particular slider object, calendar object. So make sure that whenever this window comes, we have to select calendar, field as order date. You can select single value, multi value, and then you have to apply. As soon as I have clicked on apply, so you can see the date over here. Click on OK. So this is going to show you the number of dates. Suppose I have clicked on this particular date as 1/5. So I have clicked on this date 1/10/2012. So the same date you can see on this particular. So this is having the meaning that January 10, 2012. So January. So this is in the form of MMDDYY, month, date, and year. So this is nothing but showing you the month. So January is the month, 10 is the date, and 2012 is the year. So if you want to select any other date, so I'll go with, you can scroll down. I'll select this date 20. So 20 January 2015. So it is going to show me January 20, 2015, 1/20/2015. So it will be automatically displayed on the calendar. So in this way we can use the calendar object in QlikView. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.